Yes, hello members, you are most welcome once again. Saddam Hussein, my name. I'm very proud to be with you today, and I hope you enjoyed the previous lesson. And thank you for viewing. And for those new subscribers, I also welcome you in the name of the Almighty God. So today we want to look at this stubborn issue of sets, the first theme in mathematics that begins from down. Remember, sets are taught in almost all the levels of education. Up to university levels, they still teach about sets. This is a topic which does not end. Therefore, when we have begun like this, we shall move on slowly by slowly. Now, today we want to look at something simple, that is just shading regions. And we have used the common letter of letter A and letter B. So we want to shade. The first one is saying shade A intersection B complement. A intersection B complement. The complement is on B, not out. It is on B. What does it mean? The first thing you're supposed to do is you give each of these diagrams a letter. Never forget to put the letters there. A is there and B is also there. Now, which region is the one that we call A intersection B complement? A intersection B complement. This is A intersection B complement, and this is A complement intersection B, meaning that this is the region for A only, not B. Then this is the region for B only, not. Actual complement means not. It's not part of that. This B complement, it means B is not part of this. So they want you to shade that part which belongs to only A. It belongs to only A. So A intersection B complement. This is the region that we are talking about. You only shade that part which belongs to only set A. That means don't touch this intersection set. You only. Some of you may look at this word intersection, then you're like, oh, the symbol is saying intersection, so I also need to shade intersection. No, this is the region that we're talking about. It is the A intersection B complement. Don't touch B. Touch that region which belongs to only A. Only A. Are we together? Then this one, why have I brought this one immediately? I want us to see the difference. When they say shade A intersection B complement, this one means that identify A intersection B, which is here. So if this is our A, this is our B. The region that we call A intersection B is this one. The one that they are sharing, that region they are sharing is here. But again, they are saying that all of it should not be touched. I remember complement said don't, not included. So you shade but don't touch. This complement has already stopped us from touching A intersection B. So you are going to touch any other region out of the intersection, but don't touch the intersection. That is the meaning. That you can touch anything, but don't touch the intersection. A intersection B complement. Don't touch that part. Shade the A intersection B complement, the region that doesn't belong to intersection B. Then the next part is A union B. Union means when they are put together. When A and B are put together. Again, they have closed them, the bracket, they're saying don't complement. A union B, don't touch them. And A union B, I told you don't forget to put the letters. Some children always forget, and they might have done the right thing, but they forget. So A union B complement, what you're supposed to do here, you shade the region which doesn't belong to A union B. A union B complement is these two. So you will shade what is not belonging to them. That is what we call A union B complement. Please let us be very careful here with these words. So that one is A union B complement, meaning when they put for you like A union B and they put in the bracket, then they put for you complement, it means that you don't touch A union B, but you touch what belongs out of it, what is outside. Are you getting me? It is outside. A union B complement. Then part D is saying A complement union B. What was here? I hope now you can see what you are going to do. This is A, B. So A complement union B is, I mean A complement intersection B is this one here. So this is what you are going to shade. The region which belongs only to B. Actually, this one is like saying shade B only. And then this one is saying shade A only. Not A, but A only. They said A and A only. Then, part E is saying A intersection B. Remember this one, they have given us A is here, B is here. They are saying shade that region which is the intersection of A and B. This is subsets. We shall go deeper into subsets when it comes to other descriptions. That's when we shall expand. So the intersection of these two sets, you can see that B is between or belongs to both B itself and A. That is a subset. A subset, this one, these are smaller sets in a bigger set. Now, like this one, A is a smaller set in a bigger set. It becomes a subset. Like me, I'm a subset of my dad. I belong to my dad. You are a subset to your parents. You get me? You're a smaller set that belongs to a bigger set. Then A difference B. You share that region which is A difference B. That means you only pick A. That region belongs to A. Only A. Then here you also pick the region that belongs to only B. It's the same as, that's why I've been fast on it. It's the same as the other one that we are seeing there, the first one. Then B complement, if this is A, this is B. B complement, that you don't touch B, but you can touch any other part. So you leave out B. B is here. You can touch any other part out of B. You can touch any other part out of B, but don't tamper with B. That is what they mean there, like that. You can touch any other part, but not set B. If they say A complement, you will leave A alone. Then you can touch any other part, but not set A. Shading is very good, and this concept that don't miss in examinations, by the way. And for the children to always be alert, they need not to forget these kind of things. When we continue with sets, we are going to look at very many other things that we are supposed to do. And this is how we shade. I've used common letters just to make you understand the differences. I didn't want to use many letters, not because I like A and B, but you can also, the examiner can bring PQ, can bring LM, can bring SL, depending on what he's supposed to do. These are simple concepts that can run from primary 4 up to primary 7 at this level. But from primary 3, of course, there are these ones that is a shade set A, shade set B, and that's how we shall do. So our simple exercise will be given to you. Our simple exercise, I'm going to put it here. Shade part A, P union Q. That is a very simple one. P union Q. Then part B, P complement intersection Q. P complement intersection Q. I hope you have understood the other one. Then you will shade for me P union Q. This is P, this is Q. So that is how best I want you to do that work. And this is a very simple thing. When we move on well, we shall be okay. Then food for you. Food for you. I want you to draw for me a Venn diagram before I come. Draw a Venn diagram to show that all girls are females. Draw a Venn diagram to show that all girls are females. That is your food for today. Thank you very much for attending. The Almighty God bless you and keep you always alive, because I'm happy, and always support me, because we are moving together as a team, as a family, to build and change the concept of mathematics failure in our regions. Thank you very much. God bless you.